and the other one's K. Caden. Parker. Caden. Caden Parker. Caden Parker. Ah!
Caden. 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 You go for Parker.
Parker! 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 La 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 la! Oh, such noise! La 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 la!
Okay, so why did you buy such a professional camera?
So that I don't have to go pay a lot of money for professional shots.
Oh, you got your phone.
Talk to him, Caden. Tell him what's up. Thank you.
He's like, no, I want that phone.
Yep. Now it's going in the mouth. Here you go. Here you go. Don't fall over.
Car.
I didn't tell Dad the picture that she took of Chad and Smitty. She was standing on the balcony and they were in the far.
I know.
You
Could tell from the angle. Ohio.
Caden. Hey, Caden.
Caden!
Caden.
Caden! Caden! Now, Parker, you're so
Parker, easy to smile. That's so easy to smile.
Hi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, that little snooze refreshed him so.
Well, once we got upstairs, I was just looking around and trying to figure out where he was. Hey, bud. Parker. Parker.
Parker!
Parker.
Parker! Parker! Hey!
There's a lot more going on over here now.
Uh-oh, Caden, you're going over! Caden, you're falling over!
Hey, Parker.
Caden had too many margaritas.
Parker.
Sarah.
That was not good.
Drunk baby.
You got what?
He looked a little drunk.
He looked down.
He keeps looking down every time.
Boom!
A little better. Caden.
Hey, Caden.
Caden.
Caden!
Sarah Jamar.
Yes.
Sarah has some leftover cheesecake if you'd like some.
Okay.
There's some that's not left over too. If you'd prefer non-leftover.
You can have that tomorrow.
Not in the usual spot.
There it goes. Dakota.
So would you like some now?
Oh, Mom, I'm fine.
Hi, Dana.
I just asked you if you'd like some cheesecake. You said yes.
No, I didn't.
She said, oh, okay.
You told her that she had some.
Doesn't it?
No, just means okay, good to know that they have it.
Oh, all right. Well, I'm going to go have a piece. Huh?
That's the part we understand.
Chuck, did you want to get some fudge?
No thanks.
He just